How's it going, founders? Welcome to very first episode of BizWay. This series is meant to help aspiring entrepreneurs and entrepreneurs with their startup journey. BizWay has been brought to you by Space Biz. You can rent dedicated working space for your startup at very reasonable prices. Feel free to contact us. Links to our social media handles are in description box. I hope everyone likes this and tries getting some great learnings through our series. In today's episode, we are going to discuss about SEO. So fasten your seat belts and get ready for huge amount of traffic. A big thank you to Digitech Max for this amazing opportunity. So let's welcome Miss Sangeeta Das from Digitech Max. She has been into SEO for a while now and knows a lot about how companies approach SEO and what needs to be done in order to get a good traction. So Miss Sangeeta, a warm welcome to the show. We thank you for being here. I really hope you are doing absolutely great in your personal as well as professional life.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Sir, I'm Sangeeta Das. I'm from Jaglock Service Private Limited, and my head office Bangalore, and my branch office in Bhubaneswar. And I have 5 year experience in this platform. Then I'm going to start your with your questions. Sir, please ask.
Yeah. So my first question to you would be, how did you start your SEO journey?
Sir, basically, when I was completed my post graduation, I wanted to get experience in some exciting platform. That time I knew that SEO is the best way to achieve brand reputation, expectations, business traffic, and leads. Then I got introduced to find out more. Evaluation in SEO is still happening and happening every day. So I choose this platform.
Okay, that was great. My second question to you would be, how will you define SEO in simple terms?
Basically, my point of view, SEO means the process of improving means a website to increase its visibility when people search for products or services related any businesses in search engine like Google, Bing, and other search engines. The better visibility your pages has in search result, and more likely you are to um, generate attention and attract prospective and existing customers to create demand online to achieve marketing goals. Yes, sir.
Okay, that was great listening to you. My third question is, what one should focus really on when we say SEO, like keyword research, backlinks, etc.
Yeah. When we are going to do SEO work, we really focus on the keyword resource and the backlinks creations, so that we most analyzes the quality and the relevance of the website, and do research on competitor site. Because we really need to beat our competitor site for get rank and the traffic also.
Okay, so what is your view on this? Which businesses need SEO? What do you think?
My thing, my company Digital Max means we find out all business to require the SEO. Even government schemes and policies to need SEO, because this is required us to give the information a free flow and highest reach. So any type of business need SEO services, sir.
Okay. Do you think ignoring SEO is going to be of any help to any company?
In short, it's never going to be helpful, because of a business branding is more important to making growth any type of businesses. SEO is the best way to increase brand publics, and converting the customers for the any businesses. So yeah, sir.
Okay.
SEO,
Okay.
yeah, sir.
How SEO helps any business grow?
Yeah, because We are going to digitalization, because India are going to digitalization. So internet, everyone use the internet. So internet reach and internet speed both help people find thing under the scope of a digital platform. So SEO can pick up the brand and pull the relevant traffic to the target URLs, which fulfill the tax of gaining traffic and revenues in turn.
Okay, that was great. Do you
Yeah.
think SEO helps get results quickly?
Yes, I think yes. SEO helps get result quickly when we do quality works on that platform using new techniques regularly. Also, means our company, basically our brand Digital Max, have used many type of SEO techniques, SEO many type of new SEO tools, and tested so many type times to find faster expected and effective result against the SEO input actions, sir.
Okay, thank you so much for that. Which are some good tools for SEO for free as well as paid?
Sir, we are using many type of free and paid tools, but I like to introduce means Google own tools. That's both free and paid also. Google own tool like Google Keyword Planner, Google Analytics, Google Webmaster tool. Then other tools are like SEMrush and Ahrefs, and are the best one for free and paid activities. Also, Uber suggest is also going momentum.
Okay. Would you consider letting us know that are SEO courses worth it?
Not all courses, but yes, for theory understanding, it's required, sir.
Okay. Uh, what are some best SEO practices?
SEO best practices are a set of tags designed to help improve a website search engine ranking. Common search engine optimization best practice include on-site SEO, means on-site optimization, researching keywords and building backlinks to a site.
Okay. What would you say about SEO versus SEM? Which one is better?
I think SEM is better for testing than SEO, because this flexibility allows you to see differences in your strategies immediately. You can't accomplish this through SEO, as it would take too much time to make changes and monitor difference in results. Then the main difference is a search engine optimization is focused on optimize a website in order to get traffic from organic search result. But I go to SEM, means SEM on the other hand means the goal of search engine marketing is to get traffic and visibility from both organic and paid search. So that I will go with SEM. SEM the best, better than SEO, sir.
Okay, okay, that was great. So now, will you please describe your daily routine as an SEO specialist?
Yeah, sure, sir. Sir, basically, I'm doing many kinds of tasks in a day as a SEO specialist, like keyword resource, or quality content analysis and optimization, on-page issue fixing, link building, and URL building. And then analysis means analytics checking, then pooling of site indexing, etc. Sir.
Okay, now one last question to you.
Yes, sir.
What should be the steps for an absolute beginner if he or she wants to get started with SEO?
Mm, um, they most learn practical things about SEO and do resource, get trained from a mentor. What a Digital Max company, Digital Max train people as well, so that they can get the job done by. Hello.
Okay, that
Yeah.
was really great. And we are really thankful for you to be here and answer our questions. We are really thankful for it, and we really wish you really great wishes for you and your company. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.